Fix for mobile devices, Android, iPhone. 1. Update the YouTube app. Open Google Play Store, Android, or App Store, iPhone. Search for YouTube. Tap Update if an update is available. If you can't update, your device might be too old. Skip to the section on using a browser or installing an older compatible version. 2. Clear app cache, Android only. Go to Settings, Apps, YouTube Storage. Tap Clear Cache and clear data. Fix for browsers, PC or mobile. 8. Update your browser. YouTube only works with modern browsers. Update to the latest version of Chrome, Firefox, Edge, Safari. 2. Use a different browser. If your current browser isn't working, try another. Chrome is the most compatible. Fix for smart TVs or older Android devices. 8. Update YouTube via Play Store, if available. Open Google Play Store. Search YouTube and update. 2. Use YouTube in browser. If the app won't update, open the browser on your TV or device. Visit https://m.youtube.com mobile-friendly version. 3. Install an older APK, Android only. Warning: only download APKs from trusted sources like APK Mirror. Search for an older version that matches your device's Android version. Enable install from unknown sources in settings. Install and try using that version. Some features may be limited. Update YouTube from the Google Play Store. Open the Google Play Store. Tap the search bar, type YouTube, and select it. If you see an update button, tap it. Wait for it to finish installing. Restart your phone and try opening YouTube again. Step 2. Clear cache and data. Go to Settings, Apps, YouTube. Tap Storage. Tap Clear Cache. Then tap Clear Data. This will sign you out of YouTube, but won't delete your videos or subscriptions. Reopen YouTube. Step 3. Uninstall updates, as a workaround. If the app is buggy or too new for your device, go to Settings, Apps, YouTube. Tap the 3 dots in the top right corner and choose Uninstall Updates. Reboot your device and try opening YouTube. Step 4. Install an older version, APK. If your device no longer supports new updates, go to a safe APK website like APK Mirror. Search for a compatible YouTube version. Check your Android version, settings about phone. Download and install the APK file. Make sure Install from unknown sources is enabled in Settings Security. For iPhone's IP address. Step 1. Update the YouTube app. Open the App Store. Tap your profile icon in the top right corner. Scroll down to Available Updates. Tap Update Next to YouTube. Step 2. Delete and reinstall YouTube. Long press the YouTube app icon and tap Remove App, Delete App. Open the App Store and reinstall YouTube. Sign in and test the app.